Welcome students, myself Julie Rai. Today we are going to study chapter 3 addition. Topic covered in this video is first, addition of a 3-digit number without regrouping. Second, addition of 3-digit number with regrouping. Third, addition of 3 numbers of 3 digits. Fourth, rounding a number to the nearest hundreds. Fifth, word problem and framing a word problem. Sixth, properties of addition. And in the end, I give you a worksheet. So our first topic is addition without regrouping. In this video, we will learn how to add without regrouping a 3-digit number. First, you have to write the numbers in the column form. Here I have taken an example. Add 322 and 452. So let's write this in the column form 322 and 452. Now we are going to add the ones column. Add 2 plus 2. What we get? 4. Right in the ones column. Now we will add the tens column, which is 2 plus 5 is 7. Now after this we will add the hundred column, which is 3 plus 4, which is 7. So our sum is 774. The result obtained after addition is called as sum. Our next topic is regrouping. So let's take an example. This is 7 tens. As you can see here, 7 stars I have represented and 5 tens. So when we add this, what we get? We get 12 tens. And when we regroup this, we get 102 tens. So 7 tens and 5 tens can be regrouped as 100s and 2 tens. Now you have understand regrouping. So let's get into second topic of our video. Addition with regrouping, also called as carrying. So let's regroup and add this. Add 437 and 296. So first write this in the column form and then add the ones column. Here in the ones column you can see 7 plus 6 is 13 ones. So we can regroup this and write 1 tens and 3 ones. 3 will go in the ones column and 1 go to the carry to the tens column. Now we will add tens, which is 1 plus 3 plus 9 equal to 13 tens. 13 tens can be regrouped as 100 and 3 tens. 3 will go in the tens column and 1 go carry to the 100 column. So now add the 100 column. So we add 1 plus 4 plus 2, which is equal to 7. So our sum, we got our sum 733. Now let's write the number sentence. 437 plus 296 equal to 733. Now if we have learned the regrouping and addition, let's add the 3 numbers. First write 182, then write 274 and 448 in the column form. Now let's add the ones column. Here it is 2 plus 4 plus 8, which is 14. 4 will be right here and 1 go carry. Now add 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4, which is 20. So 0 we will write in the tens column and 2 will go carry to the 100 column. Now add 2 plus 1 plus 2, which is 5. So we got our sum, which is 504. Next, our topic is rounding a number. Rounding means making a number smaller or larger. you have already learned the how to round a number to nearest tens. Now in this video we will learn how to round off to the nearest hundred. For example, here we have taken one number 116. We have to round off to this nearest hundred. So this number 116 comes between two number 100 and 200 and it is closer to 100. So we can round this number to 100. We can also understand by looking at the tens place. If the tens place is less than 5, you always round down. When it is greater than 5, you always round up. So this 116, 1 in the tens place, 1 is less than 5. So it go to the left position or to the down position. So 116 rounded to 100. We know that the concept of addition is used in many daily life problems. Let's consider an example. A word problem. For an example, a school has 329 boys and 286 girls. How many students are there in the school? Write the number sentence. Here we add the number of boys and girls. Do not forget to regroup. First write the numbers in the column and then add it. First add the ones column. We get 5, 15 and 1 will go carry to the tens column. Then add 1 plus 2 plus 8 which is 11. Then write 1 in the tens column and give 1 carry to the 100 column. Then add 1 plus 3 plus 2 which is 6. So our sum is 615. So the total student is 615. We will also write the number sentence. 329 plus 286 is equal to 615. Now we have understand the solving a word problem based on addition. Now we will discuss how to frame a word problem or story writing. For example, suppose we are given the following statement, 25 plus 19 is equal to question mark. So we have to frame a word problem corresponding to this statement. For example, Ankit, we are framing a word problem. Ankit has 25 apples and Priya has 19 apples. So how many apples do they have all together? So you can make a or form a many problems given to this statement. And do you know that framing a word problem enhances the thinking power. Now let's understand what are the properties of addition. The first property is commutative property of addition. Let's take and understand this with an example. First add 378 and 439. Let's add the ones column. 8 plus 9, 17. 1 will go carry. 1 plus 7 plus 3 is 11. 1 will go carry in the 100 column. Then 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. So the answer is 817. Now let's just change the order and add 439 to 378. Add 9 plus 8 which is 17. 1 will go carry. 1 plus 3 plus 7 is 11. 1 will again go carry. Then 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. So what you notice that the sum of the two number is the same when we change the order of the number. This is called commutative property of addition. So the next property is associative property of addition. Let's take in three numbers 26, 95 and 37. add first 26 and 95, what we get? 121. Then add 121 and 37, what we get? 158. Now let's just add in a different groups. First add 95 and 37, what we get? 132. When we add 26 to this, we get 158. So what do you notice there? That the sum of the three numbers is the same when we change the grouping of the numbers. This is called associative property of addition. Now let's just understand the additive property of 0. When we add 0 to the number or number to the 0 added to 0, the sum is the number itself. So this is called additive property of 0. Now we have understand these properties, so just try to do these problems without actual adding. Fill these blanks. Here it is 251 plus 408 is equal to 408 plus what we will write? 251, because you know the commutative property that when we change the order, the sum doesn't changes. Next question, 819 plus 0. What we will write here? 0 plus 819. Additive property of 0. Now in the end of the video, I will provide you a worksheet to practice upon. First question, round off to the nearest 100. 439 and 187. Second question is, a shopkeeper has 566 cold drink bottles and 283 milk bottles. How many bottles does he have? Thank you.